Hi, my name is Yangdup Lama, and I'm here once again to do some nice and interesting summer cocktails. The next one that I have in line is again a variation of the classic. So this one is a mixed berry daiquiri, which is nice and frozen. The original daiquiri is with light rum, lime and sugar, shaken and served straight up. This one is going to be slushy, and I'm going to use a mix of berries, so a little bit of strawberry and blueberries, or maybe some red berries, some puree. I'm just going to show it to you and kind of blend it with lots of ice to make it slushy. So let me just start the process. I take a blender, and what I do is I first pour 15 ml of lime juice. So I take about 15 ml of lime juice in there, a mix of raspberry and red berries, strawberries. So this is a fresh, nice puree. So we take about 15 ml raspberry puree and about another 15 ml of the strawberry puree. So that's nice and sweet, and then preferably a light rum. So about 45 ml of light rum is good. Does not make it too strong, but just right. And because I'm using a heavy duty blender over here, I'm going to use cube ice. But if you happen to make the same drink at home using a mixie, then preferably you need to crush this ice and make it easy for the blender to kind of blend it really hard and make it slushy. So about 3/4 ice. And most importantly, when we do frozen drinks, we always add a pinch of salt in there. What it does is it keeps the drink slushy for a long time, and also make sure that the flavors are intact, so it does not get too watery or diluted. That's a nice and slushy drink out there. And again, you could use any fresh berries. What I have over here is some cherries in a cocktail stick. So I'm going to place it here. So what the cherries represent in a drink is the sweetness. So it's a nice fruity, slightly sweet drink. And a basil leaf to represent the freshness of the drink. Enjoy yourself. Cheers.